sure?
Yeah, it's in the red light.
Look, there's a red light.
Hey, look, ma, I made it. Hey, look, ma, I made it. Everything's coming up pieces, pieces. If it's a dream, don't wake me, don't wake me. I said, hey, look, ma, I made it.
I thought I was gonna catch it.
Oh shit, my bad, right?
They wanna take my trophies.
What's up, bro? Long time no see. I just saw you. Oh, damn. What's up, guys? Back again with another episode of Empire Unlimited. We have over here No Name. We got special guest Drip, and we got Luigi. Luigi, what are we doing today?
Today we are doing a 2015 Jeep Wrangler JK. We're gonna slap some three.
Take 49 here.
Right. Today we got this 2015 Jeep Wrangler JK. We're gonna put in a 3.5-inch lift from Rough Country with these badass reservoir trucks, Vertex reservoir trucks. And we're gonna slap some 35-inch Toyota Monterey tires with 17-inch fuel wheels.
This is how you learn. This is what they teach you in UTI.
Oh.
This is how you jack the cars in college.
Swear.
No.
Please don't teach him that.